Welcome to Daily Lenten Reflections for Wednesday of the second week of Lent. Today we shall reflect on the theme Called to Serve. This is the third time that Jesus warned his disciples that he was on his way to the cross. Jesus deliberately and with eyes wide open sets out for Jerusalem and knows his fate will lead him to the cross. Jesus describes in great detail this upcoming suffering, which will include injustice, disloyalty, mockery, insult, humiliation, and ultimately end in his death. But even at such a time, he doesn't end the prediction with death. Rather, his prediction ends with an assertion of the resurrection. Beyond his suffering will be glory. Beyond his death will be new life. Then there is a dramatic shift in today's gospel as the mother of James and John approaches Jesus to ask the favor of allowing her sons to sit on Jesus' right and left in his kingdom. Jesus goes on to explain that to be great, one must be willing to serve even to the point of death. He says, "The Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many." The first reading, taken from the book of Jeremiah, tells us how the people plot against Jeremiah. Jeremiah had done great things in getting the people close to God. He tried to warn the people so that they could avert any calamity. But the people, being ungrateful, plotted against him. In the gospel, we see the disciples who begin the passage as ambitious and jealous eventually come to know and understand the truth of Jesus' message as they see his prediction fulfilled. They witness Jesus as a servant who gave his life as a ransom for all. They would eventually do the same. In a very special way, today let us ask for the grace that we too may be of service to others in every small possible way, just as Jesus gave his life for us, that we too may make a difference in the lives of others.